Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flutter Guru. So today we'll be creating our first Flutter app. As you all know, the first thing you create when you start programming is a Hello World app, Hello World website. So today we're creating our Hello World application. Now start your Flutter, your Android Studio, which I've already started here. Now if you really installed the Flutter plugin and the Dash plugin, which was in the last video I talked about in the last video, you should get this option of create a new Flutter project. So you just click on it and then choose Flutter app. This is the path to your SDK. Next, then project name hello world, and then hello world app. Okay, click finish. Oops, so invalid module name hello world must be valid as lowercase with underscore. So you have to, your project name must be lowercase, no space, with underscore hello. Create our Flutter project. Okay guys, so our Flutter project, our code are created, and if you check in your link folder, you see something called main.dat. So this is where we'll be writing our app, changing it. So let's check this out. So I said we should install an emulator in the last lesson, just quickly, and then run your Android emulator which you have installed. Also, this will take some time, it's kind of slow on my PC, it may not be so on your home. Alright, so here's our emulator, the right side of the screen. So I just, okay, let me run this part that I said, that you see what the demo looks like. Press run, and well, it's still slow, it should take some time. So the reason why it takes too long is because it will have to install some of these things on your emulator, so that's why it takes long the first time you are trying to run it. So this is the demo of the app. You can see it, I showed it last class, and everything is working. So 0 here will increase. So now to start building our own application, we have to delete most of the things that okay guys, so we will delete from here down everything from that class of there. And let me go through this. So we'll be importing the package Flutter material that, which is where we get most of our widgets from, and then this function, main function, is the one that runs first in the app. Like when you start the apps, the function that should run app, which will run your app, which is called my app, which we just deleted. But now we'll be using the material app function, material app function. So this is it, which we'll be using here to create our first Flutter app. So what is this material app? Material app is just a widget created by, which we have available in this package that we imported. There we can do our basic designs like import our widgets. But today we'll not be really using most of these widgets, so we are just creating our first app. Just home widget, which is what we show immediately we start our app, and then text widget, write our text obviously. Hello world, and saving this, or should load. Okay, I guess we have to restart. We have to restart this because it was my app function that was there before. We have to restart to give it the function material app. Okay. And this is it, guys. So this is our first Flutter app. I know it looks ugly, but in our next class we'll really be going in depth with most of these widgets, and then start building simple apps, normal apps for us. So guys, this is where we'll stop today. In our next class, continue from